Hey guys, it's Nicoletta. Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. If you're new, it means so much if you guys click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. So not long ago, I posted a huge Halara try-on haul, and I went ahead and made such a big order that this is kind of like part 2 of that haul. So if you haven't seen the first clothing haul, I will link it above and have it down below. But in this haul in particular, I have more activewear pieces, and then I have also more of like their everyday pieces. Halara is one of my favorite brands. I feel like if you've been watching me for a while, you know that because I've done so many hauls on them now. Halara is very much known for their comfortable, buttery soft material, as well as like their flattering fits and body inclusive clothing pieces. But they're able to bring their pieces from a workout to more everyday wear without sacrificing style. All their pieces have an activewear component, so including their pieces like their jeans, their dresses, their trouser pants, everything's gonna be super comfortable, breathable, soft, stretchy. So I did want to give a huge shout out to Halara for partnering up with me. I think I'm gonna start for the first half of the video being all the activewear pieces I picked up, and then I'll move on to the second half being more like the everyday pieces. They are one of my favorite brands when it comes to activewear. Currently, you can't see it, but I am wearing one of them right now. And speaking of what I'm wearing, I am wearing this exact piece that I'm gonna share with you guys, just in a different color. Went ahead and picked up their high-waisted yoga short. Their yoga shorts are my favorite, and I picked this up last time in a couple colors. The one I'm wearing right now is like blue color. I also went ahead and picked up like a more darker green color. I love these shorts in particular because they're so buttery soft. They feel like you're wearing nothing. They're so comfortable, so stretchy. Their material really holds up as well when it comes to activewear, because I'm telling you, I've had my pieces for years now. I've worn them a million times. I've washed them a million times. It has a very like wide band, which is super flattering on the tummy. I did go ahead and pick this up in their 5-inch length, but they do, I believe, have a 3-inch and a 7-inch. This is like a good, I feel like, in-between length. Not too short, but not too long. So it really just depends what you are looking for, if you want something shorter or longer. And it just has a secret little pocket kind of in the back here. I just know I'm gonna wear this all the time because I wear the other ones all the time. You could give me this in every single color and I will take them because they are that good. So you guys will see this top, but I paired these two together, kind of a black on black look. I have, of course, the yoga shorts on. They do have like a tighter short underneath, and then they have a more looser short overlaid on top. As you can see, this is what the 5-inch length looks like, so definitely a good like in-between length. I knew I just wanted to have a black pair of these. Another thing that Halara kills is their leggings. Their leggings are amazing quality, so I had to pick up their full length kind of legging. This is in their color Carbon, which I love. It's a very like dark, rich navy blue color. I don't have any legging in this color, so I thought I would pick it up. This one also has very deep pockets on the side, so it's gonna fit your phone or your keys or whatever you need when you're out and about. So this is what the legging looks like on. I kept this black tank top on. Love these leggings. I have leggings like these. These ones give really good compression and just kind of sculpt up your body. Very good tummy compression up here. Has a very thick, wide waistband. Like I said, their leggings really stay put as well, which I love. And these are so soft. Like, they are very good quality leggings. You could tell they feel like you're wearing nothing. This is the full length. They usually come with different lengths, so there is a little bit of bunching at the bottom here just because I'm short. I typically normally go for like the 7/8 length, I believe, but I did go for a full length this time. But nonetheless, it works because they are leggings, so it's not like dragging on the floor. But I really love this color. I think this color is really fun. In one of my latest activewear Halara hauls, I picked up for the first time their activewear dresses, and I fell in love. I literally wore one of their dresses with my toddler to the zoo not long ago, and it was like the best thing ever. It is toddler mom approved. I'm telling you, you can bend, move. It is so comfortable. Nothing's gonna fall out, and you just feel really cute and stylish at the same time. Naturally, your girl had to pick up 2 more. And I did kind of go for a black, but they have beautiful colors. Like they have really beautiful like periwinkle blue color, that really nice soft pastel yellow color that's been super trendy. So if you guys like this style but in a different color, they have it. But I just find I always end up gravitating towards a black, especially when I'm with my toddler. I'm working up a sweat every time I'm with my toddler and out and about. It is a workout on its own. So I really do prefer a good black. But these are the most softest, comfortable dresses that you will ever own. The first one, I think I'll start with this one because I think it is just so flattering the way the shape is over here in the silhouette of this dress. It kind of gives you the illusion that you have like a smaller waist, but it has the built-in bra, so you don't have to wear a bra at all. It's super supportive and comfortable. This one has like a very cute crisscross detail in the back with a little peekaboo hole. Of course, it has the built-in shorts. And on top of that, it has still the pocket on the shorts. So you can go ahead and add whatever you need, your phone, your keys, when you're out and about. They are very much known and have gone very much viral for their activewear dresses, and it's for a reason because they're very, very comfortable, super stylish and cute. I never owned an activewear dress before Halara, so I absolutely love them. If there's one thing I've learned, you can never go wrong with a Halara activewear dress. They are just so fun and flattering and such easy outfits. I love this one because of the shape. It goes to kind of like a V shape here and then flares out. Super supportive, like I said, has those shorts underneath so you're good to go. And then on this side, it has a good pocket, and the pocket's actually very deep. So I will literally put my phone here when I'm out and about or walking. This kind of material here flows out to like a running short kind of material, which is super fun. So a little bit of different textures. And then this is what the back looks like with the crisscross detailing and the open hole there. I did go ahead and get up another dress. This one's a little bit different, just the shape and the back of it. It has like an open back here, which is really nice. Has that crisscross, but it definitely has a big open back. I love having a little cute detail on the back, especially because it's not like you have to wear a bra with this at all because it has the built-in cups. They also are really good quality. Like I've washed these many times, these dresses, and the cups haven't gone all wonky or anything like that. Of course, these also have the built-in shorts. Obsessed is an understatement. Love this dress. I think it's so flattering, so easy. The material is so soft. It's their Softly Zero collection, which has the softest material. These ones, of course, have these shorts. This one has 2 pockets, so a pocket on each side. And these ones aren't fully attached, so it's very easy when you have to go to the bathroom to just pull that down, go to the washroom. And the back is super fun as well. Next, I picked up one of their like activewear tops. Gives very much like kind of like a little polo tennis sleeveless top. So it is in a black color, but I love how it has the white trimming everywhere. So it has that very nice cute V here, a nice little stretchy collar with the white trimming. This gives very much like preppy vibes. This totally would be cute when working out, playing tennis, golf. Put on the top. Love this. I think it's so flattering. Love the cut of it. Love the V-neck. I think the color is really cute as well. It has like little holes all over, so it's very breathable and sweat wicking. Gonna be great if you're working up a sweat. White and black always look very sleek, very classic. Those are all the activewear pieces that I picked up. Now I'm gonna move on to more of the everyday essential. I need this in every single color. This is the most comfortable t-shirt that you will ever have. It is definitely oversized, which I knew it was gonna be loose and oversized. If you wanted a little bit not as baggy, then definitely you could size down on this. This is what I'm wearing all the time, like especially lounging around. I want something comfortable. Has just a cute little pocket on the front here. This is just a really good like t-shirt, everyday t-shirt to have to throw on with jeans. So I went ahead and put on that blue t-shirt. So comfortable. As you can see, there's like so much room to it. It definitely is like oversized, so I would tuck it in like how I had it with a pair of denim, but I love this color. This is just very soft. It is the softest t-shirt I have, and this is why I love Halara so much, because so many of their pieces have that like really like soft from the inside out material. It reminds me of like all the t-shirts that I steal from my husband. Gives that like boyfriend t-shirt kind of vibe. And speaking of jeans, I'm gonna share with you guys what I picked up. So I went ahead and picked up their high-waisted straight leg denim pant. I just feel like this is a staple to have. It does have the belt loops. There isn't any sort of button or zipper, but it does have also the pockets on the front, pockets on the back. I just think these are just a really classic denim pant to have, but it has really good stretch to it. So it's gonna be very comfortable. It's very flattering on the body. It gives your booty a nice little pop, a little lift to it. I love, like I said, Halara jeans because they're so comfortable. Like they don't feel rigid and stiff and like you wanna take them off as soon as you get home. Like these feel so comfortable because they are so stretchy and so breathable, and they really go according to your body. I have the denim pants on. These are just such good classic denim pants to have. And then also it's just a straight leg, which is so nice. It fits perfectly, super comfortable. This one doesn't have, like I said, any of like the zipper or the button here, so it's just very, very comfortable. I love this like light wash, but I would totally pick this up in like a darker wash as well because they are that comfortable. I also wanted to try out one of their black denim. So this is a different style. It does have the button and the zipper. This one has a little bit more stretch than the one I showed you guys previously. I did go ahead and get this in their petite size. It does kind of have like a wider leg, flares a little bit out. So I think it's gonna really elongate the leg, but it's gonna fit my length perfectly, which is really, really nice. More darker blue jean or a black is a little bit more dressed up than the more light washed denim pieces. I'm so excited to finally have a black denim from Halara in my wardrobe. I kept the blue t-shirt that I had on, but I put on the black denim. But these definitely have like a very good stretch to it. And this is definitely more like your classic jean with the button, the zipper, the belt loops, has the pockets in the front, pockets in the back as well. I love the cut of these jeans as well on the bottom here. It also is like high-waisted, so it's gonna go right above your belly button. Speaking of tops, this is one of their like blouses that I picked up. This definitely could be really nice as like a work top blouse as well. Just in this beautiful blue, true blue color. You guys could totally tell I was gravitating towards my blues this time, but I love the silhouette of this and the fit in this. I could totally get this in so many other colors. I like how it's sleeveless, but it's very wide. It has that beautiful cowl neckline. I just feel like that's so classic and elegant, and it's so, so flattering. And I feel like you could totally dress this up. You could dress it more casual and wear a pair of like the denim that I shared, but you could also wear it with some really nice trouser pants. And speaking of, I have one of their work pants. So this is one of their flare work pants. They have so many different shades and colors, but I always like to gravitate towards brown. I just love my neutrals. And this is more of a wider leg. I did get this in the petite, so they fit perfectly. It does have the belt loops, no zipper, anything like that. It's gonna give you that same comfortability as a legging pant, but you look a little bit more put together. And it just has the faux kind of pockets on the back, and then it has the pockets on the side. Definitely gonna have a lot of room in the leg, but it has that stretchy kind of like workout pant material. And you could totally pair this with that cowl neckline blue top. I went ahead and put on the blue blouse that I have and also the brown work pant. I feel like this is such a good outfit to wear as workwear, or just if you want to be a little bit more dressed up. Love this top for the neckline. I think this is always just such a flattering and elegant neckline, and you can never go wrong with it. But I love the blue paired with the brown. This definitely is more like a legging pant material, but it's a little bit more like dressed up looking. This is really great office wear as well if you want to be comfortable at the same time, or you don't want to have that like very uncomfortable trouser material. So I love the two paired together. I think they are very fun. Have kind of like a flare out, which is really fun. They definitely are more form-fitting, but they have a lot of like room in the leg. That is everything I picked up. Let me know which piece was your favorite. Don't forget to check out my other Halara try-on haul. Like I said, I will have that down below. Don't forget to subscribe to join my YouTube family, but I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!